How to block calls but not messages on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your Settings app. Scroll down. Open this option Focus. Now at the top right, you'll find this plus icon. Click on it. Now head towards this option of Custom. Now over here, you have to give a name. I'm gonna give it as Messages Only. Once you are done, click on Next. Now click on Customize Focus. Now click on this option of Choose People. Now over here, you're gonna get two options, silent notifications from and allow notifications from. Go ahead and choose the option that is suitable for you. I'm gonna check in for the option of silence notifications from. Now click on the option of add people. Now select the contact that you would like to mute. After you select it, click on done. Now you won't get any call notification from these people. You can click on done. Similarly, if you have set it to allow notifications from and selected the specific people, you will get the notification from those people only. You can apply the same process and do that for apps as well. Well, that's all for this video. This is how you can block calls but not messages on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.